Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to show you an awesome way to make money online using AI tools for free. So now let's get started by going to an awesome website that is ideogram.ai. Of course, most of you know all these websites to generate AI generated images such as Midjourney, Ideogram, Lensigo, and so on. So here of course you can find and stumble on different amazing and stunning images that could drop your jaw as you see. So here in this tab, just you can head over to these amazing and this wonderful images like this one, for example, to know what prompt is used to generate these such beautiful and stunning images. As you see, like details, description, prompts, factors, and so on. So you can actually do the same process in different images like this one, for example, this one, and so on. That makes sure that all these images that grabs your attention and scrolling eyes, and it does the same way for different users. Okay, like this one actually, and this one, and so on. So the first step in this video, just you can copy and know the prompt used to generate these amazing images. Step number 2, just you can use this prompt exactly in different websites to generate AI images like Ideogram or Lensigo and or Playground, Midjourney as you want. Of course, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list contains the best Midjourney alternatives free without any watermark. So you can generate these such beautiful images using AI. And the step number 3, just you can go to some print-on-demand platforms to make wall art using this AI images. For example, you can head over to displate.com. Here you can generate and make beautiful metal plates as you see. Or you can go to etsy.com, one of the biggest print-on-demand platforms where many people hungry for purchasing these such beautiful wall arts. Or you can go to redbubble.com that you can actually upload your design and your image in different 150 items including wall arts. Or you can go to zazzle.com and so on. Of course, you can find down below in the description box an amazing guide how to make money online using Redbubble from A to Z. Anyway, here by using a print-on-demand platform, just you can upload your AI images to craft an amazing wall art. Then now we can move on to the 4th step in this video. Just you can make what's so-called mockups to promote these such beautiful wall arts that you have done in print-on-demand platforms. And of course, there are different websites to generate your mockups for free and professionally, like this one, for example, that is so-called mockupgenerator.co. It's an awesome website that enables you to upload your image and apply your photo in different mockups, like in stickers, business cards, bookmarks, coloring pages, and so on. And here in this case, just you can select this print section, and all you need to do, just you can upload here your AI image generator, like this one, for example. Upload this one that talks about the brainstorm ideas. Then click over this button, generate mockups, in just a matter of seconds, as you see. Awesome, isn't it? And of course, you've got this option. Either you can download this one individually, or you can download all of them quickly in a bulk download using this button, download. Or you can use an amazing website as well, that is glorify.com. It's a wonderful website that you can take it as an alternative to canva.com to generate different posts, posters, wall arts. And as well, here you can generate what's so-called mockups. Of course, it's an awesome one to use this amazing feature, mockup generator, using glorify.com. And of course, you can use it for free to make different and variety of mockups like jars, cans, and so on, including wall arts. Or definitely you can head over to placeit.net. The biggest platforms where you can find huge amounts and a wide range of different mockups for different items as you see. Or you can make these mockups on canva.com. Thus, if you head over to Canva, afterward here on canva.com, you can actually go to the search bar and look for wall arts. And if you don't know that, here on Canva, different ways to make mockups, and for sure I talked about that in the previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. Anyway, amongst all of these ways, this searching for wall arts, then here you can find over 60,000 templates done for you. as you observe. So all you need to do, just you can select one of them and insert your own AI generated image to generate your professional mockup. Like for example, this one, customize this template. Just here you can upload your AI generated image, upload like this one. And now here you can actually customize this portrait. Just remove this photo and insert here your image in this placeholder. You can make it as much as possible here and so on. So now just you can move on to the way to make money online using these wall arts, to how to promote all these mockups and these wall arts in different ways. The best place here, of course, if you can just categorize all these wall art as a home decor, and it's an awesome niche for many people looking for home decor, how they decorate their home, office, and so on. The best place to promote all these home decor items is Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest. So if we can take Pinterest as an example, so we can go to Pinterest, and of course there are multiple ways to make money online using AI generated images like this one to get more traffic and get more visits to your own website or store. Like this one in this post, you got huge engagement rates. So this content creator use this image to get traffic to his Instagram account, as you see. Or simply you can use all these AI images to promote your stuff and to promote your job like a freelancer and get more traffic to your Fiverr account, your pay per hour, and so on. Here just to show off your experience and your professionalism to generate these such beautiful AI images, as you see, using Midjourney, Leonardo, and so on. Or in our case, we can promote these mockups to promote all these wall arts to get more traffic and to get more sales on your print on demand accounts like on Etsy or Displate, Redbubble, and so on. Like this post or this pin, as you see, that gets more traffic to Displate.com, or this one, for example, that gets more traffic for Etsy account, as you see, for Screaming Women AI art, print AI generated art. So that way actually you can make it easy, all these designs, all these AI images, using the ready to use or done for you prompts many people are using, and the professional people are trying to generate these such amazing images. So if you like all these images as a wall art, upload them on your print on demand accounts and then make mockups for free, then promote them on different social media including Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and so on, so you can get more traffic and get sales faster using this marketing strategies. And of course I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment the best tools for Pinterest marketing. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.